Part 7. Issue of shares at discount. Issuing of shares at a discount is allowed under Section 79 of the Indian Companies Act 1956. However, there are certain restrictions. The Articles of Association of the concerned company must permit issue of shares at a discount. If it doesn't permit issue of shares at a discount, then Articles of Association must be amended first. Shares to be issued at a discount must belong to a class of shares that has already been issued by the company. This means that new shares cannot be issued at a discount. Company can sell shares at a discount only after 1 year from the date of getting certificate of commencement of business. The rate of discount should not exceed 10% of the face value of shares. However, the Company Law Board may sanction higher rate of discount under special circumstances. Before issuing shares at a discount, a special resolution must be passed in the general meeting of shareholders. Within 2 months from the date of passing special resolution in the general meeting of shareholders, the company must issue shares at a discount. After issuing shares at a discount, in case the company wants to raise some funds through sale of shares in the future, then the prospectus issued thereafter must give the details of issue of shares at a discount. The amount of discount not written off should be shown in the balance sheet under the title Miscellaneous Expenditure and Losses on the asset side. A newly formed company which is issuing shares for the first time cannot issue them at a discount. The amount of discount given to the shareholder is a loss. It's a capital loss. It is not a revenue loss as such. Therefore, it is debited to discount on issue of shares account. It is not debited to profit and loss account. The total amount of discount on issue of shares is written off over a period of time, and the amount of discount that is written off is debited to the profit and loss account. Of course, as we have already learnt, security premium account can be utilized for writing off discount on issue of shares. If discount is adjusted at application stage, then following journal entries are passed. Bank account debit say 90 rupees to equity share application rupees 90, and while transferring this application money to capital account, the amount of discount is adjusted. Equity share application account debit 90, discount on issue of shares account debit 10, and equity share capital account 100 rupees. If discount is adjusted at allotment stage, then following entries are passed. Discount on issue of shares account debit say 10 rupees, equity share allotment account debit say 90 rupees, to equity share capital account that is 100 rupees. Unless given otherwise in the problem, discount is always adjusted at allotment stage. Thank you friends. Here ends the second part. In the next presentation, you will learn accounting of forfeiture of shares.